Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. Local investment firm First Rock Capital Holdings has raised $2.5 billion through a private placement. This marks the largest equity raise for a new company in the region. CEO of First Rock, Ryan Reed, says the money will be used to advance projects.
It essentially allows us, or gives us enough money, to put it simply, to execute on those opportunities that we've amassed over the last, I'd say, year. Following the success of our private placement, we have, secured some good business relationships, and those relationships will be represented when we announce some of those transactions that we've been working on.
Mr. Reed says First Rock is interested in listing on the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
We expect to list in a couple months, or apply to list on the stock exchange, Jamaica Stock Exchange main market, and it comes down to performance. So within 2 years, we expect to show strong performance, strong, robust performance.
There are concerns about whether the country's hotel industry will experience any fallout from the decision by Boeing to ground its entire global fleet of 737 MAX aircraft after investigators uncovered new evidence at the scene of the fatal Ethiopian Airlines crash. The planes have also been temporarily restricted from Jamaica's airspace. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says he is not expecting any negative impact by the restrictions.
To our best knowledge, I think only Southwest that has one of the 737 MAX 8. The others have all been primarily the traditional 737s, and we also have the 747s, and we have other types, but not the MAX 8. I think that one or two of our partners within the Caribbean had indicated that they were getting a fleet of MAX 8. I think Cayman Airways had made such a suggestion. I'm not sure if they have actually acquired and taken control of those fleets as yet. But so far, Jamaica, and I think most of us in the Caribbean, would not be affected too much, if at all, by these new restrictions.
And with Boeing's money-spinning 737 MAX aircraft grounded over safety fears, the world's largest plane maker is facing its worst crisis in years. Shares of Boeing fell 3% immediately after President Donald Trump announced the move from the White House yesterday. The shares then rebounded in a sign that the grounding had been largely priced into Boeing stock. But even after ending yesterday's slightly higher, the stock is still down more than 10% since the crash, wiping more than $25 billion off the company's market value. In Thursday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 1,632 points to close at over 380,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 60 stocks, of which 27 advanced, 29 declined, and 4 traded firm. The junior market index advanced by 21 points to close at 3,091. Stocks advanced for Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Producers, Everything Fresh, Fontana Limited, and Phosrich Company. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living, Access Financial Services, AMG Packaging and Paper, Burita Investments, and Berger Paints. Trading firm were Epley Limited, Honeybun, KLE Group, and SSL Venture Capital Jamaica. Lasco Manufacturing Limited was the volume leader with over 6 million units, followed by Jamaica Producers Group Limited with over 1.2 million units and Supreme Ventures Limited with a little over 1 million units. News in oil. Oil prices were mixed on Thursday after touching 4-month highs as OPEC stressed the need to extend its production cut program past June while lowering its forecast for crude demand. Brent crude hit a 2019 peak of $68.14 per barrel before falling to $67.33 a barrel, down 22 cents or 0.3% from Wednesday's close. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures ended up 26 cents to $58.52 a barrel, or 0.5%. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.